Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can claim ownership of Facebook page. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, open up your laptop and access your browser and simply sign in to your Facebook account. Make sure you have switched to your Facebook page, otherwise it won't work. Simply switch to your Facebook page. Now go ahead, tap on this plus and access another tab and type in Meta Business Suite and simply search it up. So for that, you're going to tap on this Meta Business Suite and simply tap on this login and access Meta Business Suite with the Business Manager option, and it's going to simply open up another page with your page information on top. Now tap on the settings icon given right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on this option of profiles, and now tap on this option of business assets. So you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So from over here, simply go ahead, switch to pages given and tap on this add page option. And then you're going to see this create new Facebook page, claim an existing Facebook page, request to share Facebook page. You're going to tap on this claim an existing Facebook page. Go ahead, enter the URL of the Facebook page that you would like to claim. Tap on this next button in the bottom, and again you have to simply agree with the terms and condition, and you will be able to simply claim the assets of your Facebook page and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.